Tired of waiting for water to boil forever? Frustrated with inconsistent tea brewing results? Meet the Chefman Electric Kettle, your solution to fast boiling. Boil water in just 3 minutes with rapid heating technology. 5 temperature presets ensure perfect brewing for every tea type. Tri-color LED lights indicate heating, standby, and keep warm modes. Removable tea infuser lets you steep loose leaf tea effortlessly. Cordless design allows easy serving anywhere in your home. Safety shutoff feature provides peace of mind during use. Enjoy a stylish design that complements any modern kitchen. Perfect gift for tea lovers on any special occasion. Upgrade your tea experience with the Chefman Electric Kettle today.